The engine compartment, my Chevy Volt, and right now we're going to change the air filter, which lies right in there. So to get the air filter out, we got to remove some screws. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then this whole thing should come apart, and then we should get access to the air filter. This is a nice 8mm socket. Remove this, lifts up easily out of the way, and right below it is the air filter. So I'm gonna just hold that up, pull out the old air filter. I'm going to take my precious hand vac and vacuum the rest of it out. That's in the air filter system that we will vacuum out. Air intake system, I should say. Filter. There's the part PA99180, which we bought also on Amazon. Standard filter. And it just pops right in place, sits really easy. We would then bolt this back down, and we are all done.